In this video, we are going to look at how Certainly integrates with Shopify to enable conversational commerce experiences. It all starts with engagement. Certainly can inherit information about the customer from Shopify and use it to render dynamic proactive messages based on a variety of triggers. For example, you can set Certainly to trigger a message based on what Shopify page the visitor is browsing, whether they have active orders, the size of their shopping cart, and more. This enables companies to engage with their audience in a scalable way, without compromising on personalization and overall experience. In this example, the visitor is behind login, so Certainly is able to address them with their personal name. In e-commerce, some of the most popular requests refer to order status checks and cancellations. With Certainly chat, visitors can, at any given point, ask for an update on the status of their order. Certainly will sync with Shopify and display dynamic order cards with action buttons that depend on the status of each individual order. Notice that the content of each card is fully customizable. Cancellation requests can be fully automated in a similar way. Certainly can display order cards with quick actions that depend on whether the order is eligible for a cancellation or not. The definition of eligibility can be entirely customized on the Certainly platform. If an order is indeed eligible, and the customer proceeds with the cancellation, Certainly will automatically update the order on Shopify and tag it with relevant information. Conversational commerce is all about providing a great shopping experience on web, entirely based on rich conversations. Here the visitor is reaching out to get some help with finding the right gift for a friend. Certainly will try to collect additional contextual information, such as product preferences and budget, in order to deliver a recommendation by looking up relevant products on Shopify. When Certainly has identified a product that fits the visitor's needs, it can either display the product in chat or it can seamlessly route the visitor to the actual product landing page. When a redirection is performed, Certainly can render relevant trigger messages, thus continuing the conversation in a natural way. A truly conversational commerce experience, however, does not stop here. For example, visitors might need additional help with figuring out what size to go for, or with choosing between other available options. In this case, the visitor is not quite sure of what size to go for, so they reach out for help once again. Similar to what happens with product recommendations, Certainly will collect some additional information such as usual size and preferred fit in order to issue a final size advice. Notice how not only Certainly has recommended a size in chat, but it has also dynamically selected it on the Shopify product page. This is one of many actions Certainly can perform on a Shopify website, including dynamically adding products to a cart. Moreover, Certainly can prompt cross-selling opportunities by suggesting products that could complement well the one just added to the cart, and generating pricing offers. Visitors might have additional questions prior to placing an order, such as knowing what payment methods are supported or understanding shipping time and cost. Using Certainly, these and hundreds of other e-commerce topics can be fully automated.